198, which is a balcony on the MSC Fantasia. Overall, you see it is a full-size room. It's quite nice with the decor, colorful with the red and the white. You have two end tables on either side of the bed, and you have the ability to turn on and off the lights beside you. You also, with these end tables, you have a little bit of drawer storage. It's a very large mirror here. It actually makes the room look a lot bigger, but in fact, the room is quite spacious. We'll just go straight out to the balcony first, as because it's a balcony cabin, that's probably the most important thing. There is a TV up here. It's very conveniently located next to the desk area here with a mini bar. Depending on whether or not you have a package or not, the mini bar could be locked as whether or not you have a mini bar package. There's also a desk here with a couple of drawers and a seat. You also have different ports for the different kinds of plugs that you may or may not need. And there is a nice sized couch here next to the phone and the bed. So onward to the balcony. This is on an angle. It's a very spacious balcony. We have two chairs and an extension for your legs that I guess you can use as a table. It's a balcony facing the side and also toward the front. And one thing to note here is that it is a covered balcony. So you can see that should it be raining, you would be able to sit outside. And we'll just go back on inside. So we were provided on our embarkation with information about the destinations that we're going to, and in this case it's in Barcelona. It has all the excursions listed in here, and also it has information about the daily program, what to expect and what kind of things that are offered on the ship. And then they also have a little bit of a breakdown of exactly what is involved in the daily planner. So we'll just go now to the bathroom and to the closet space. So the washroom is very spacious. It's also equipped with shampoo and lotion. You can see that we brought our own shampoo and we brought our own loofahs. There's lots of space here for you to put your own things like your toothpaste and what other toiletries you need. But you will also notice that down below you have extra storage on both sides, and that's also where you find the garbage can. There's plenty of space for your closet hanging. And another thing that's really important, at least to us, is that there is lots of space for your drawers. They're fairly deep as well. And you also have your safe. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed our tour.